Real talk. For anyone working solo today, solopreneurs, students, freelancers, marketers, the AI subscription stack is completely out of control. I use ChatGPT for research, Claude for writing, honestly the best writer out there, Gamma for slides deck, Canva for visuals, NotebookLM, Lovable, a video tool I forgot I was paying for, over 1000 euro a year. To do work by myself, alone, and the worst part is not the cost, it's the friction. Research in one tool, copy, paste in another to write, copy again, paste in another to design. I'm basically a human bridge between 5 AI tools that refuse to talk to each other. So I went looking for an alternative, and honestly a lot of companies are trying to solve this, trying to bring the best LLMs and AI agents under one roof. I tested most of them, none of them came close to what I'm about to show you. This is Skywork, and with the new 3.0 update they just dropped, they didn't just catch up the competition, they left them in the dust. Quick context, I'm a specialty coffee fanatic, the kind of person who has opinion about V60 versus AeroPress. And I have been quietly planning to open a small specialty coffee shop in Bucharest, in a university area, the kind of spot students and creatives would actually hang out in. The name, and tell me what you think, is Mocha Pop, specialty coffee for students and creative people. Colorful, playful, urban. Think funky packaging, bright colors, pop art energy. In this video I'm going to use Skywork to build the entire launch package for Mocha Pop. Market research, brand, pitch deck, social media, website, menu, automation, the full package. Real prompts, real results, not hypothetical. And by the way, this is not just for solopreneurs. If you are a student writing a thesis, a marketer running campaigns, a freelance juggling clients, or a small team trying to do more with less, this changes the game for you too. Quick intro to how this actually works. Some of you may have heard of OpenClaw, the autonomous agent framework. Powerful, but setting it up, it's technical hell. Cloud servers configuration not beginner friendly. Skywork took everything OpenClaw can do and wrapped it in a clean, friendly interface. Zero setup, you open the app, you type, it works. The assistant is called Skyclaw. It runs on Claude Opus 4.7 by default, but you can switch to GPT 5.5 or Gemini 3.1 Pro anytime. Full control, no black box, no hidden downgrades. You can start using Skywork instantly, no setup needed. But here it's a small advantage. Connect the apps you already use every day and Skywork can pull data straight from them and act on it. In the chat box next to plus button, click the small tools icon. Pick Connect Tools, the full integration library is here. Google Suite, Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Microsoft, Notion, Slack, all ready to plug in. Let me show you how to connect Gmail. Click Connect, Google Authentication opens, pick the account, grant access, done. 20 seconds. Now Skywork reads my emails and drops replies right from the chat. And finally, skills. Specialized agents built for specific tasks. Slides, documents, websites, videos, and more. Pick the ones you need and they show up ready to go. But here is the feature that generally change how I work. You can connect Skywork to your messaging apps. WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack. Bottom left of the app, click Connect IM channel. Pick your app. For WhatsApp, a QR code appears. You can scan it from your phone and link device. Done. Skyclaw is now in my contacts, right between my mom and my best friend, slightly different vibe. So I walk to grab a coffee, get an idea, send a voice note, hey, check this competitor, send me a summary. By the time I get home, it is in my inbox. You are not chained to a laptop anymore. Okay, let me show you what this actually does. One project, one afternoon, no other tools, just Skywork. First, I need to understand the market. Here's my prompt. Skywork pulls from Google Scholar and over 400 verified databases, real sources, real citation, no made up nonsense. A few minutes later, 20 pages of structured research, competitor map, pricing tables, customer profiles. This alone would normally cost me 5 days of work or 3000 euro at a consulting firm. It just did it while I made another coffee. Now I want to build a brand around Mocha Pop. Here is the prompt. Look at what comes back. 3 full brand system, logo mockups, color palettes with hex codes, typography pairings, even mockups on cups and tote bags. And seeing the logo mocked up on the actual storefront, it already feels like a real cafe on a Bucharest street. This looks like a designer worked on it for a week. Now the pitch deck. I want something I can actually send to potential investors. Here's my prompt. And wow, clean professional layouts, chart placed exactly where they should be, brand color applied throughout. This is the kind of deck you would not be embarrassed to send to a serious investor. One prompt, no template hunting, no font fighting. Now the launch campaign. This was the part I was most curious about. Most AI images still look like AI. I want photorealism real. From step 2 I picked the logo I liked most and one storefront mockup. I attached both as references. This logged the visual consistency. The model knows exactly what mockup pop looks like. Here is the clever part. One prompt, two phases. First Skywork generates the images, then it uses those exact images as starting frames for the videos. Brand, lighting, vibe, all stays consistent. Here is the prompt. And look at this, real photographs, barista shot, latte art, storefront and golden light. It all feels like Bucharest, like mockup pop.
Honestly, good coffee, good vibes, and nobody judges if you stay here forever. What do you like about this place?
It's fun, it's loud, it's colorful, and the coffee actually keeps you alive during exams.
Why do students love Mocha Pop?
Mocha Pop, specialty coffee for students and creative people.
Did it take you a long time to learn that? Just a few liters of milk, at least.
And the reels, cinematic, on brand, the interview clips feel like a real customer, the barista clip like a real cafe. One prompt, an entire Instagram launch campaign. Photorealistic, on brand, ready to publish. This is just a small example of what Skywork pulls from one command. Reality in 2026, when someone Googles the best specialty coffee in Bucharest, you need to show up. If you're not on Google, you basically do not exist. So, no waitlist gimmick, I want a real website. Menu, prices, location, story, and SEO that actually ranks. And here is my prompt. In just a few minutes, live website, mobile friendly, menu visible, map embedded, SEO ready out of the box, built to actually rank when someone searches for specialty coffee in Bucharest. Now the side that nobody enjoys but everyone needs, the numbers. This is the part where most cafe dreams die. People skip it, open the doors and find out 3 months in that they are losing money on every cappuccino. Not me, I want everything costed properly, full operating expenses, and a clear break-even point. Here is the prompt. Spreadsheet ready, menu fully costed in euro, operating expenses laid out, margins per item, monthly P&L, break-even point clear, the math works, the dream lives. A real business model for Bucharest with real numbers behind it. And finally, automation. The part that actually feels like magic. Launching is the easy part, staying competitive is the long game. So I want to schedule weekly briefing on what my competitors are doing in marketing and what is actually working for them. Here is my prompt. Schedule done. Every Monday morning, before I even open my laptop, a marketing intelligence brief is sitting in my WhatsApp. I see exactly what it's working in the city, I steal the format, never the substance, and I adapt it for Mocha Pop. I just built a 6-figure launch package in one afternoon for my kitchen table in my sweatpants. An agency, freelance designer, copywriter, video editor, web developer would have cost 10 to 15,000 euros. The regular AI tool stack alone, ChatGPT, Claude, Canva, Gamma, NotebookLM, an AI video generator, website builder, over 1,000 euro a year. Skywork replaced all of it. One account for roughly the price of a takeout lunch per month. And the time saved is the real win. So stop being the human bridge between 5 AI tools, let your cloud team to do the heavy lifting. Link in the description, feel free to start, no card required, and use my discount code for 20% of the annual plan. Solopreneur, student, marketer, whoever you are, try it. See you in the next one.